Welcome to Risk of Rain 2, mother... Apparently if you grab the... Yo, why does that look like a straight Lego block? Apparently if you grab this thing and you give it to this weird looking hentai plant on one of the stages, then it gives you a free character. If you go underneath 50% of your health, you blow up. So, let's not do that. That sounds pretty straightforward anyways.
12 seconds later.
Fuck. Yo, bro, you good? This guy's having the time of his life over here, man. Oh, I love this game. Now I'm destroyed. Oh, bye. F. You know, for a game called Risk of Rain 2, there's really not that much rain. Guys, please stop. Oh my god, could you not, please? Oh no. Please. That was almost dead. Alright, almighty Smurf testicle. There we go. Thanks, Papa Smurf, you're the greatest.
Go fuck yourself. I hope you die a slow and painful death, bitch.
What's this? Oh, a fancy new hat. 118. Better be Gucci. See, this is why you should subscribe to this channel. Just the worst possible, most unthought out jokes in the history of YouTube. Catch. Hey, you caught it. And now you're dead. Hidden Realm. Bazaar between time. What you got for me? Oh, hi. Well, aren't you a handsome little fellow? Let's give Bootleg Doomfist a try. Ooh! Meaty! Ooh, damn. Look at those arms. Nah, that's a plug walk. This? Oh! What is this? Come here. Oh, nice! Come on. Hey, I got a new pet, guys. Okay, never mind. I'm the pet. Slap! Clap! Clap! Gonna daddy up on these motherfuckers, man. Alright, who you got for me? A wandering vagrant.
Hello.
Oh, yes, dude. I'm just trying to think from this boss's perspective. There's just a big, giant, fat man with 10-foot arms popping off the fattest dab of 2019. Oh, nice jump, dude. Got them B-hops. Sorry, Michael Jordan. Calm down. Catch, 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 catch. Wrecked. Destroyed. Violated. Impregnated. Give me. Thank you for giving me a cock. Straight cock. For God's sake. My RNG does not love me. Neither does my parents. Mine's better. Take my Smurf ball. They don't even play Bin Weevils. Pussy. I had my first ever girlfriend on Bin Weevils. That shit was romantic as hell, man. Even though towards the end, she straight up she used to just enter my nest just to use my piano. It's tragic when I have to break it off, man. Hoes be trying to use you for your piano, man. Keep your eye out, boys. You never know. Alright, fight me, boy. Oh, come on. Please, stop it with the fucking Maltesers. They're so irritating. I swear you could be across the other side of the map. You could be in bloody Albania, and these bastards will just yeet. Oh no, he's doing the good suck. He's doing the big suck. Help! Someone needs to call Peter, man. I am legit just running around, absolutely murdering every single animal that I see. Alright, Shrine of Chance. If you do not give me Elon Musk's new Cybertruck first try, I'm deleting Minecraft.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer? Every night, I can feel my leg, and my arm, even my fingers. The body I've lost. The comrades I've lost won't stop hurting. It's like they're all still there. You feel it too, don't you?
Yo, I can smell PewDiePie's ad revenue coming to just eat me up right now.